Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is curve. In curves, we will discuss ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. Eccentricity for ellipse is less than 1. For parabola, it is equal to 1, and for hyperbola is greater than 1. The formula of eccentricity is distance of the point from the focus oblique distance of the point from the directrix. With the help of question, we will understand all these three in one class. Like we are having a question, focus equal to 50 mm and eccentricity is 2 by 3, and we supposed to draw ellipse for that. For doing that, we will draw vertical line, then we will draw horizontal, and both these lines are axis. As we are having in question focus is 50 mm, we will mark focus at 50 mm distance on the horizontal axis. Then we will divide focus distance from vertical line to focus is in 5 parts. Why? Because 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That's why we'll divide this into 5 parts. Now we will take vertex on second point from focus. Because distance of the point from focus is 2, then we will take, so that we will take focus 2 mm on second point from F. Then we will draw vertical line on V. Then after drawing vertical line on V, we'll put our compass here on V and then rotate with taking distance F. Then we'll draw two inclined lines and distance on a horizontal line after V will be divided with the help of vertical lines, which will be those lines will be closer to each other. Then for start making curves, we'll take distance from 1 to 1 dash, then we'll put compass here on F, then mark the arc on 1. Then we'll take distance 2 to 2 dash and put our compass F and mark the arc on F on second line. Then we'll take distance 3 to 3 dash, put our compass F on F and mark the arc on third line. Same steps we'll be repeating till curves start closing. So initially the size of curve will increase, and when we'll start multiple lines here, after increasing its area, curve will close. So you will get the ellipse. Okay. If you will talk, it is the method of ellipse. If you talk about parabola, in parabola eccentricity is 1. So vertex you will mark at distance at center from here to here. This distance is 50 mm and you will mark the vertex on center point because eccentricity is 1. So distance of the point from the focus will be equal to distance of the point from the directrix. Then in case of hyperbola, eccentricity is greater than 1. That means eccentricity can be written as 3 by 2. And you will divide the directrix and distance of directrix and focus into 5 parts, and you will mark the vertex on third point from the focus here. 1, 2, 3. You will mark focus here. In case of, you will mark vertex here. In case of hyperbola. And all method will be same. You will be drawing vertical line on vertex, then you will mark curve from V to F by taking distance from V to F. Then you will draw inclined lines. You will divide vertical lines of equal length, and you will start marking arcs. So we will get the parabola and hyperbola. Only ellipse will close, otherwise parabola and hyperbola will remain open. Okay.